guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to play monkey tag. So someone just tagged me. It's called Minecraft, I think. Tag. No. Yes. Stay away from me. Stay away. Okay, so we had the next. So I've deleted my Roblox because it was distracting my school. It was distracting my school. And when I'm playing it, it caused me so much trouble. I didn't even mind eating. So that's why, like, my parents decided to delete my Roblox. But not log out. But if you guys want it, I'll say it. And I will post it. Okay, I'm gonna pretend to be AFK. Ooh, this is so... Let me just crawl. Running. Wait a minute! Screen in lowercase. Video. No! Why am I doing that? Okay, guys. Even though none of you guys suggested to I can say Tagalog, but I'm still gonna say Tagalog. Don't you dare! Uy, wag. Okay, I'm starting it now. Okay, I hope the red won't get me. Ay, sige lang, palagi sa huli. Palagi. Ow! Ouch! Aray! Uy, ba't ganun?
Iingay na.
Look.
Umalis ka.
Bakit?
Nanto ako
Hindi matulog ka.
Ngayon ka lang ha.
Okay. Yes.
Ayusin mo yung kilos mo.
Kayos mo yan. Joke lang. Wait. Let me pretend I'm AFK. Let's pretend to be an NPC. Oops, Pinky. Oops, Fox. Ah! Hehe, ha. Kala mo
Natinig mo ko.
Opo,
May
tutulog ako ng 9.
ayusin mo yung mga ano, sabi ko. Lumusog ka dyan, hindi na ako makatulog sa liit ng hinihigaan ko.
Yan. Ala!
Yung isang pilong, ang dami mong
Uy,
pilong.
Pinky, sa'yo na yan. Yes! I tagged them for the last minute. Uy, Mami!
Lusog ka dyan. Lusog.
Oops, Chinese. Oops, ouch!
Tumayo ka muna kayo.
Run daw. Pero, pwede ka naman mag-hide.
Sige na.
Ayan.
Lusog ka naman dyan. Ayan.
Bye, guys! Thank you for watching.